Hello, Junior 3. How are you? I hope you are all doing great. Today we will start with the first wicket sheet for the second term. The first question in it is the reading passage. Before answering its question, we have to read it carefully to be able to answer all the questions correctly. First question, which girl is older? Alicia is older. Question 2, which sport does Monica like? We have to answer a full answer. Monica likes volleyball. Find from the text. We have this information in the text. You can't answer this question from your mind. You have to look at the text first and then answer. Two girls' names, of course, Alicia and Monica. And Monica. Afraid means, in the text, it means scared. Now, there are many nouns in the passage. For example, hair, friend, people, school, homework, we'll choose school. Of course, in the exam, you may write more than one word, no problem. A verb, talk, help, know, enjoy. Okay, let's speak enjoy. And adjectives, there are also many adjectives, and we said that the adjectives are words that describe the noun, and we have the word helpful in the passage as an adjective. The last comprehension question, the underlined word in the text, talkative, means, what does it mean? Talks a lot or doesn't talk? Talkative means talks a lot. Let's move to question 2, the dialogue. In the dialogue, you have to read it all first and then try to guess the right answer. The first question that Max asked was what? Let's look at the answer. Of course, here is the menu. We have to read the whole dialogue first. Max said, I think I will order pasta and French fries. The waiter asked the question, and then Max said, no, I don't like salad. The waiter said another thing, and Max answered saying, I like to have chocolate cake for dessert. So the first question Max asked was, can I have a look on the menu? He wants to see the menu. I think I will order pasta and French fries. Do you like? So he answered a yes or no question because here the answer says no, I don't like salad. So he asked it saying, do you like salad? Or do you want salad? Not like. I like to have chocolate cake for dessert, so he was asking him about having a dessert. What do you want? What do you like to have for dessert? Okay, then the vocab of unit 6, lessons 1 and 2. The what is the baby deer? The phone. The phone is the baby deer. Let's eat a what after lunch? Let's eat a dessert after lunch. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. I don't know what to order. I like all the dishes on the menu. I would like one lot of pizza, please. I would like one slice. After we finished our lunch, we gave the what tips because he was very polite. The waiter. Dana likes to drink orange juice in the morning. Juice, the missing letters are U and Y. My brother wants to be a policeman in the future. The missing letter is W, is U here and U after the T. You should throw the rubbish in the bin. Rubbish, double B. It's healthy to drink milk with your breakfast. So here, letter E, and after the F, letter A. I usually have a snack after work. So a snack, letters C and K. This is the best restaurant in my town. Here, there are two letters, A and U. And here, letter A. You should cut your meat with your knife first. Here, K. Knife starts with K, the K is silent. And here, an I. Yummy, this ice cream is very delicious. So here, letter E. And here, C. And at the end, U. The grammar part we started this week explaining the past simple with the regular verbs. All the verbs, all the regular verbs end in D or ED or IED. We put a D if the verb ends in ED. We put IED if there is a Y, and before the Y there is a consonant. We remove the Y and put IED. But if there is a vowel before the Y, we keep it as it is because vowels love the Y. They keep the Y and add ED. And of course, you remember from the first term, the CVC rule. If you have a verb that ends in a CVC letters, we double the last letter and then put ED. For example, clap, it ends in L, it's a consonant, A vowel, P consonant. So we double the last P and then add ED. But some words do not follow these rules. They are CVC, but we don't double the last letters. What are these words? Any, the open, happen, visit, listen. These words, we don't double the last letters. And any word that ends in O or X or W or ER, we never double the last letter. Okay, so let's start answering this. Talk, what is the past of talk? We add ED only. So it will be talked. Lived, we will add D because it ends in E. Watch, we will add ED. Ask, we will add ED. Clap here, before adding the ED, we will double the P because LAP is CVC. Want, wanted, ED. Answer, we will never answer double the last R because it ends in ER. So answer, ED. Here, enjoy. We have a Y, but before the Y, there is an O, and the O is a vowel. So we will add ED only. We won't remove the Y. Missed, ED. Tidy. We will remove the Y and add IED. Visited. Walked, ED. stayed. We will keep the Y because there is an A. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Harried, we will remove the Y here because there is a consonant before it, and we will add IED. We travel will be traveled with double L because it ends in CVC. Traveled, double L, and then ED. Phone, we will add only D to it because it ends in E. Play, we will add ED. My aunt, invited, we will add only D because it ends in E. Work will be worked, ED. Enjoyed. We won't delete the Y, we will add ED because there is a vowel before the Y. Enjoyed. Visited. We want to double the last T because it is one of the verbs that we don't double the last letter for. Stop. Here we will double the last letter because T consonant, O vowel, P consonant, so we will double it, CVC. And study will be studied, we will remove the Y and add IED. Thank you. Then the last question, we have to find the mistake and to correct it. Okay, here he said we is laughing. We never takes is, so it will be are. We are laughing. She don't love pizza. It will be she doesn't love pizza. Okay, let's look at the coming question. Here, that mistake is studied. It should be with IED. Studied. So this is the mistake. And okay, here amend cannot be abbreviated, so it would be am not. And where does she always goes on Friday? The mistake here is goes, because after does, we bring the verb in the infinitive form, it will be only go. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and wait for us the next week with weekend sheet 2. Enjoy and study hard. Thank you. Bye.